Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another really quick video. Okay, so I'm here with my Nokia 7.2. This is the 64GB version. So I've done an unboxing of this device. It's up on my channel, be sure to check it out. Okay, so this, like I says, it's the Nokia 7.2. This is the 64GB version. I've just unboxed it. I've not even connected to the Wi-Fi yet, as you can see here. So I've not connected to the Wi-Fi, can't log into the Play Store, as you can see. So this is just a video taking a look at the default storage fresh out of the box. So these are all the pre-installed applications. I've not downloaded any applications because, like I says, I'm not connected to the Play Store. So yeah, we're just going to take a look at the default storage fresh out of a box and see how much we get out of our 64GB. So let's just go into the settings and let's go to storage. And you can see here, fresh out of the box, you're going to get 51.27GB free out of your 64 gigs, and 20% is already being used. So let's see what's using it up. Okay, total used of 64 gigs, 12.73 gigs is being used out of the 64 gigs. So let's click on internal storage, see what's using up that 12.73 GB. Okay, so photos and videos isn't using up anything. Music and audio is not using up anything. Games, not using up anything. Movie and TV apps is not using anything. Other apps, so that's the pre-installed applications, that's using 2.8 GB. Files isn't using anything, and the system, this is what's using up everything at the moment. It's using up 9.9 GB. So with the 9.9 GB and the 2.8, that's what brings the total usage up to 12.73 GB. So like I said, fresh out of a box, you are going to get 51.27GB free. Okay, so now let's take a look at the RAM usage. I'm just going to show you how to check it. Let's just go into About Phone and select build number. And then go back to developer options. This is how you have to check the RAM. Okay, so the memory, this is the 4GB version of the Nokia 7.2. Okay, so we have 1.9 gigabytes of RAM free out of the 4 gigs. So yeah, this was just my video showing you how to check the RAM and also the default storage on the Nokia 7.2 fresh out of the box. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up and share the video. Thanks for watching. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.